Hi guys, I haven't made a video for a long time and this is going to be my second video. So you're going to take anything you have with a flat circle so then you can make like a really good circle when you're drawing. So you're going to need a pencil, but if your pencil... I just took another one because this rubber does not work and every time you rub it turns red. So let's start. First things, you're going to take this to make a circle. Then you're going to hold it down and lightly you're going to draw a circle. There we go. I'm almost done. There. Now when we've drawn a circle, we are going to draw 2 lines for the neck. And then we're going to draw a bump and a straight line going to the right. And the same thing with the other hand. And then you're going to make 5 bumps and go back. 5 bumps and go back. Then you're going to make a curve, go through the hands, through one hand, and imagine there's a line on the hand going across. Then you're going to finish it there. And then you're going to draw a straight line at the bottom to close it. Then you're going to draw a little circle right there. And 2 lines to close the jacket. And then here you're going to start right about there. You're going to draw a little line there. Then you're going to go down straight all the way. Then you're going to draw zigzags for the opening part. And then you can draw a box or a circle. But I'm just going to draw a circle. Then you're going to draw a little dot there. And that, so then it can zip and unzip. And then you're going to draw 1 straight line. And then on the other side, try to make them both the same size. And then you're going to draw 1 line there, go up, imagine it's going through the zipper, and then back down and close it up. And then you're going to draw 1 straight line there, a curve, a bump, and a straight line. And then again, and then you're going to draw 1 line there and a pom-pom. And 1 more and a pom-pom. And then, if you want, you can color them in or you can color it by yourself. And then at the head, you are going to go like that for one side and then start there and go to the other side. And then here, you're going to draw like cat ears, like one cat ear. And then you're gonna draw a really big pom-pom at the top. And I'm just gonna draw like it's fluffy. And then you're gonna start right about there. And you're gonna go curly, like bumpy lines. Then you're gonna do curve and bumpy lines again, and you're gonna finish it at the cheek. And then you're gonna draw lines all over the hair. And then lines here like the wind is blowing, so the hair is going up and down. And then we're gonna draw a little circle right there for the snowball. And we're gonna draw one circle, one big bump at the top, and one little bump at the bottom, and then you're gonna color in the rest. And if you want your girl to be winking, you can draw an upside down U. But if you don't want to, you can do the same, but I want my girl to be winking. Then we're gonna draw the eyelashes. And then at the top, we're gonna draw the eyebrows and the nose. And at the bottom, we're gonna draw the lips and the girl smiling. Then we're gonna draw a line right there, there, and there, and draw the cheeks. That is how my girl came out. Bye guys. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. Bye.